Ajib Design Fest was a monumental time for both the studio and the Ajib family. We're finally screening the Ajib documentary and Afan's graffiti documentary that him and Shahzad have been working on. No one expects me to show up. I'm in Lahore, Arib's in Ireland, and this is happening in Karachi. So I hopped on call with Arib. Are you excited for the event?
I am excited. It's just that I can't be there, but I think अच्छा scene होगा. मेरी ticket और तुम्हारी ticket में ज़मीन आसमान का फर्क है. You should go there. I think if you're there, that's going to be a nice surprise for everyone.
Should I not tell them that I'm coming?
तुम बस direct चले जाओ and just show up. Neutral के अंदर दरवाजा खोल के hello guys.
My plan: show up to Karachi unannounced and surprise the whole team. I'm going to land on Sunday morning. Marjan's gonna pick me up from the airport. If she feels like it, she might treat me to breakfast. Although, guys, the last time I got on a plane with the helmet was already pretty tricky. I don't know if they're gonna let me do it again. It is currently 4 a.m. here in Lahore, and everyone, including Casper, is sleeping, so I can't go louder than this at the moment. Ajib, Ajib, Ajib. You guys know how this was supposed to be like a surprise, and how no one from the studio was supposed to know that I'm showing up for this flight, and it was the whole point of the flight. Some developments from last night. I got these really excited texts from Afan, who was, one of the main people I want to surprise since, his documentary is coming out. And he was like, oh my god, you're coming, huh? And I'm like, Afan, how do you know? And he's like, Arib told me. And I'm like, Arib, you know that one thing you weren't supposed to do? Why did you do it? And he was like, oh, Afan ka dongle toot gaya. So ab maine Afan ko keh diya ki tum bula rahi ho. Anyway, I was like, Afan, please don't tell anyone else that I'm coming. Okay? He was like, yeah. And then I get a text from Safia. And Safia's like, oh my god, I heard you're coming. And I'm like, how did you hear I'm coming? And Safia's like, Arib told me it's the one thing he wasn't supposed to do. Foundation of any design studio is trust. I was like, Safia, hear me out. Please don't tell anyone. So that's a development, actually. Pull out my boarding pass also because I think I need it. I don't know. I'm so tired. I wonder if Marjan is going to let me have breakfast. It's it's the homie. I'm so tired. I'm so hungry.
We go. Where should we go?
It's embarrassing, mom. Take double
I'm just a little guy.
Yeah.
यार मुझे अरीब और वदा याद आ रहे हैं. उन्होंने मुझे यहाँ से पिक किया था.
Isn't that bad?
I'm so hungry.
Tenders, bullet.
What is the closest? Such nice framing. I haven't slept. I am tired. I'm hungry. Since me and Marjan have become friends, she hasn't come to Lahore once. So I don't know. It just says a lot about our friendship.
No, but I'll come. I'm hoping, inshallah.
This looks amazing. We had really good breakfast. But अब हम दोनों को food coma हो रहा है. And I'm like, do I really want to go to the event that I flew out for? Because I
And
just
I
want to
will
go
be
home and
together.
nap, to be honest.
And say.
So me and Mirjan ate, mashallah, quite a bit. Food coma दोनों को हो गया. I was supposed to wake up at 1:30 maximum ताकि हम 2 बजे वहाँ पहुँच जाएं. अभी 2:34 हो रहे हैं. मेरी आंख 2:15 खुली थी. And I called Marjan जो मुझे मैसेज करके सो गई. The good thing is the event actually starts at 4. Marjan is on her way. So let's see Marjan anxiously awaiting the time of arrival of Marjan so that we are not late and don't mess up the surprise, to be honest. Guys, look at what I'm wearing and look at what she's wearing in this weather. It's good ठंड लग रही है. Now, this is an Instagram.
So true.
Do I have everything?
अरे भाई साइड डोर बंद है.
Front door?
Front door.
Front door it is.
या कैसे हैं? मैं ठीक हूँ. इतने दिनों बाद मुलाकात हो रही है. Push. God, you've forgotten everything. Hello.
मरजान. क्या हाल है? How are you?
How are you, man?
बेहतरीन बेहतरीन बेहतरीन. आओ बैठो बैठो. I think this is good.
क्या सीन है ब्रो?
ये क्या? अरे हाँ ये नहीं चाहिए वैसे ब्रो.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
मैंने फजूल में ब्रो फ्लाइट ले ली.
You know I saw you from the other side. Fake it and immediately tell the other person you're faking it. That defeats the point.
Where do you see me from?
Bro, first off, I have cameras inside. Like,
Oh yeah, because he owns the place. Guys, he owns the place.
Recording.
So happy to be back.
भाई ये सारे गाँव तक के ना साइड पे कर लो. पहले सुबह चांदनी बिछेगी ना तो अभी से रेडी कर लो. बाबा, it's going good.
You said you will reach by 4:30.
सही है. ये लो फरजान. It needs to look good.
नहीं अरे नहीं मसला होगा. अरे मैं मेक श्योर करूंगा कि मसला सही है. सही है.
How did you know it was me in the helmet when I walked in?
But I didn't. Yes, I didn't, but I did. हाँ क्योंकि मुझे पता था तुम हो, लेकिन मैंने कहा हो ही नहीं सकता. मतलब इतना important थोड़ी है ये event. And you removed it and I was like, oh shit.
बस कल की वापसी की फ्लाइट.
Mashallah, that makes me value your existence even more.
Farzan, how do you feel now that the event has wrapped itself up?
I feel very fulfilled and empty. थोड़ा empty. बाकी I think the treatment really good, you know, like लोगों ने बड़े प्यार मोहब्बत से आगे बैठे. It's थोड़ी mini idea 5 grand. थोड़ी mini. What's up?
Shamir Hashmi, ladies and gentlemen. आप क्या कर रहे हो?
अरे फोटो ले रहे हैं कहाँ?
Oh, come let's take a photo. Guys, are we all having dinner?
I think we should.
Dinner?
Shouldn't we, Dindin? Represent. No chicken today, Ajeeb only. Yes. Yes.
Mariam, I'm contemplating leaving this in Karachi now. होते हो. Right. Whoa.
हमारे फोन में इतनी स्टोरेज कैसे?
Bro, it takes a second. When my YouTube have 1 bajillion follower, not shout out.
Hey, shout out. What do you mean?
No shout out.
I buy your shirt, bro.
Okay, shout out. Afan, how do you feel?
यार I feel good. Alhamdulillah. I think we are an amazing turnout. और लोग actually पता है मतलब interested थे. सवाल you get the response if people are interested when they ask questions. तो वो क्वेश्चन से पूछते जा रहे हैं और हमें सेशन एंड करना पड़ेगा कि ब्रो बस हो गया अब सवाल और नहीं ले सकते. तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ व्हेन वी नो कि पीपल आर एक्चुअली इंटरेस्टेड एंड गुड लाइक इंटीमेट सेटिंग में काइंड ऑफ एक इवेंट वेयर वी हैव पीपल हु लाइक रियली वांट टू गेट टू नो स्टफ एंड लर्न. तो इसलिए आई थिंक काफ़ी मज़ा आया. थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग.
Thank
बड़ा
you,
मज़ा आया.
Areeb, for ruining the surprise.
नहीं पता है सबको, मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया.
I didn't know you were coming. मैं कुछ एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रही, बस देखो, इट्स ऑल विजुअल्स.
ये हो गया.
चाय चाहिए कौन सी जनाब, लिप्टन ही तो है.
Oh, Afan, यार. मैं सोचूं मैं इस बार हेलमेट छोड़ जाऊं क्योंकि मैं लड़ के थक गई हूँ एयरपोर्ट
क्या
को।
ब्रो नहीं यार वो आपकी ब्रो चीज हम लोग क्या करेंगे नहीं हमारे पास है हेलमेट्स वो हेलमेट आपका ही हेलमेट है ब्रो लड़ लो आज लास्ट टाइम
ब्रो हेलमेट बू आती है। नहीं तो क्या हेलमेट ड्राई क्लीन होता है क्या होता है?
Dunk it in सर्फ का पानी and just squeeze it out.
मरजान ने मुझे इतनी कॉफ़ी पिलाई और फिर जब अवार्ड्स होस्ट हो रहे थे ना आई वाज स्लीपिंग इन द ब्रेक रूम। मरजान ने मुझे इतने प्यार से उठाया, बोला माम आओ मैं तुम्हें कॉफ़ी पिलाऊं। कॉफ़ी पिलाई, स्टेज पे फेंक दिया, अवार्ड्स होस्ट कर।
You're a coffeeholic ना?
आई लव ऑल स्पेनिश लाटेस इन कराची। आई स्पेनिश लाटेस।
अभी भी आप कॉफी भेजने में आए थे तो कॉफी पीते हुए देखा है, रील्स में भी कॉफी पीते हुए देखा, एडीएफ में भी अभी भी।
You are going to die one day.
तुम ये ले लो हाथों हाथ भूलना काम ये वाला अजीब बात है यार
शामी नजर भी नहीं आ रहा। वाओ,
लेट्स गो
I am leaving neutral. I have left neutral, and Shamir is dropping me home as always. And I am also sad to leave the homies. But I'm happy that because leaving means I will come back.
Don't be sad that it's over. Be happy that it happened.
Yes, please keep both hands on the wheel. Goodbye, Karachi.
Goodbye, Maha.
Goodbye,
Take
Karachi.
care. Go
Thank
back to the smog.
you. Okay.
Goodbye.
It is 10:34 a.m. and I just finished packing my stuff for Lahore. My flight leaves at 3, so I need to be at the airport by 1. I am gonna go downstairs and have a sweet little breakfast with my mom's friend where I'm staying. Auntie, if you're seeing this, I love you. Thank you for always keeping me in your home. I was supposed to leave this helmet here this time because I thought Afan and Farzan would bring it, but then Afan emotionally manipulated me and blackmailed me into taking it back to Lahore. So after fighting to get this on a plane at 7 a.m. from Lahore to Karachi, I might have to fight to take this back to Lahore on the plane. And for all those saying ये check in करा लो, ये टूट जाएगा और फिर ये जो मैं इतना संभाल के शहर से शहर लेके जा रही हूँ उसका कोई मकसद नहीं होगा. So yeah. I don't have time to put in a mic because they said I can't board with the helmet, and usually I can wiggle my way out of it like I have for the last 3 flights back and forth. The Ajeeb team is watching this. Afan, मैंने कहा था ना helmet रख लो. As I packed up my helmet and they put it in the check-in and they were really sweet about it, so I couldn't argue with them. And then I was here and then I met Neha.
Hi, hello.
Neha is a therapist in training.
Yeah, I'm training, and I'm trying to therapize her. It's going
And I
well.
was like, Neha, as part of my workaholism, do you want to be in my YouTube video? from a mental health perspective, what do you think of my travel plans?
Her workaholism is tied to her self-respect. Is all I know.
Oh no, she's on. Right, मेरे कान बंद है, and we're landing in Lahore right now, and so I made a bread earlier at the gate, but also I made another bread.
Hi, I'm Janice.
Yes, and हमारी भी बहुत random close नहीं हुई है. We weren't supposed to sit together, but like I switched seats. But no man, it was super fun because I met someone in the creative industry doing something fun.
Yeah.
She is a lovely actress, and now I watch dramas like.
आप भी देखना, जो भी देख रहा सब देखना. My recent drama, it was Hasrat.
Everyone watch Hasrat. Everyone give your reviews of Hasrat. It's funny because she is mean in Hasrat.
Yeah.
So I'm very.
Only in my drama, not like in real life.
It is intriguing to see how she made the drama.
Okay.
See, you don't need a script.
I mean, it's like मुझे कैमरा से बात नहीं करना आता.
Cut. Guys, I'm home. I'm in my PJs, our PJs. Moment of truth. this is the helmet they packed. Guys, दुआ करो अभी मेरे ऊपर ना शीशा ना गिरे, because I didn't think this through, but that's okay, because we are opening this bad boy up. Guys, the helmet. It's in one piece. Oh my god, the helmet's in one piece. Oh god, thank god. Honestly, I would do this 10 times over. The event was amazing. ADF was such an impactful time for all of us, and to have an event that celebrates that impactful moment is amazing. Honestly, I love my family in Karachi. The studio team, I love the neutral team. Neutral team क्या सारे homies ही हैं, सभी दूसरे के दोस्त हैं. We're always showing up and helping each other out. And God, like, it makes me wish that I could fly out every day. I will more often though. I will for sure, because I realized how much I miss these people and how loved all of them make me feel. Afan Farzan mere bhai hain, literally. I miss Areeb very much, and I think this event pe everyone really missed him. Everyone just so passionate and so joined together for this one thing, which is to be creative and to support creativity, is amazing. I'm gonna start crying. I genuinely hope that the work that all of us do, everyone, it continues to inspire more creatives and to create this community and this culture of giving back to the creative community. A very big part of it is the lot of the support that I get from you guys, and I hope it keeps coming, and I hope we keep making you guys happy, and I hope we keep giving you guys a reason to keep supporting us. So honestly, thank you so much. This trip was incredible. I made friends. I had little adventures and side quests, and it was, amazing. And I genuinely hope that, Allah takes us to so many places and all of us are so successful.